The visual inspection workflow is applicable to situations where incoming parts of assembly should be checked for deviations. Or, when fabricated items should be validated quickly, without the need for significant upfront effort to set up or prepare the CAD files, the 3D models, or the inspection procedure. To set up the inspection project, open Twyn Studio on the computer. Click on the plus icon to create a new project, enter a project name, then open it. Switch to the Models tab, click on the plus icon to import the CAD or 3D model of the inspected item. Or drag and drop it in the central window of Twyn Studio. Adjust the center view to find a good initial viewpoint for the inspection. And press the plus icon in the initial viewpoint section to add one. Add a part identifier if desired. For example, this could be the object's ID used in your ERP. Add a short step description or leave it open. Since this kind of inspection usually doesn't need multiple inspection steps or instructions. Use the cable to connect the tablet to the computer. Once connected, you can transfer your project to the tablet. In Twyn Studio, press the Export Project button to transfer the project to Twyn View. In Twyn View, open the imported project. Initialize the tracking by focusing the object. Move slowly around the item to observe it. Stop at points where you want to document either the compliance or identified deviations. Press the camera button on the right. Select a color, red in this case, and mark the misalignment. Press N OK to tag the nonconformance. Then press Save. Repeat this until all spots have been covered. When you finish the inspection, leave the session by pressing the Home button. Press the project list icon, select the inspection project, and tap on the report preview icon to review the documentation report. Use the cable to reconnect the tablet to the computer. In Twyn Studio, select the project and open the Session Manager. Click on Import Inspections, Import from iPad. Select the report from your session to review it. Download it directly by clicking on Download PDF. That's it, you have finished the visual inspection.